Hey guys, what's up? This is Austin from Support, and in this quick training video, I wanted to discuss the buy range, how it works, and how it is determined. So the buy range that it shows right here is the optimal place where you can buy a stock for the best profits and lowest risk. However, if the stock that you're looking at, for example, Apple, is currently above that buy range, it does not mean you don't have to buy it. For instance, if the stock line is green and the recommendation is a buy, then statistically speaking, the stock will continue to head higher. So you do have probabilities in your favor. So you can still buy it if it's not in the buy range. The buy range here is just the optimal place where you could have originally bought the stock. Again, following this trend following strategy, the best time to buy the stock is when it turns from blue to green, which is when it crosses above this band and it continues higher. That is the best time to buy, and that's what the buy range tries to hint at. So again, the optimal buy range shows you where you should ideally be buying the stock, but if the stock price is above it, you can still buy, all based on what you want to do with you in your portfolio. If you ever forget what the buy range is, feel free to hover over it and it explains exactly what the buy range is. All right, guys, that is the buy range explained.